Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. In this short video, I'm going to talk about a lot of the announcements Uber made on Tuesday, September 17th, where a lot of their top executives, including their CEO, was on the stage talking about these. I think this is one of these announcements is regarding audio and video recording. But before I do anything about this or I talk about this, please, all the links are in the show notes. Please go sign up to our free newsletter, www.therideshareguy.com. And I'm going to get into it a little bit later, but I have been using a Dashcam from a company called DisplayRide. We talk about it quite often that Dashcams are irreplaceable tool for your safety, even if you're driving 10 hours or 70 hours a week. In this day and age, it is really, really very important that you carry a Dashcam, which records inside and outside, but more importantly, it uploads directly to the cloud so you don't have to meddle with SD cards, uploading and downloading into a laptop or a hard disk. Now, in this short snippet you guys will watch, Sachin Kansal, who's probably number 3 or 4 at Uber, announced that whatever they have been piloting over the last 6 months or so, which was audio and video recording in many cities, now is going nationwide.
In-app video recording, where you can actually record video using the Uber app, using the front-facing camera of your phone. We launched this in several places, and let me show you how it works. You go to the safety toolkit and you turn on Record My Ride. You walk through a quick tutorial to understand how it works, but once you turn it on, you're good. Now every single trip that you take will be recorded, not just for today, but for tomorrow and the day after and forever until you disable it. And when you are recording the trip, the rider sees this, that the driver is recording for added safety. And we have observed that that encourages better behavior from a rider. And that's great for everyone. And not just that, we also have a preview feature which will allow you to actually see the angle, and you can adjust the angle to make sure you're capturing what you need to capture. And let's say if something goes wrong on the trip, you can share that recording with us through a complaint or through a ticket that you can file, and we can take a look at it.
This is a good thing. Does it go far enough? They're saying it's encrypted. They're saying nobody is going to have access to it unless you get into trouble. The other thing is, Dashcams, specifically DisplayRide, are down to $10 a month now. I mean, we do have a deal with DisplayRide, obviously. If you do get it, use the code RSG at exit, you will get a discount. However, nothing will replace a DisplayRide Dashcam. What this does is it gives you a little bit of peace of mind that with the inward-facing camera, every ride will be or could be recorded. Now, is your phone new enough or has a hard disk big enough for all of this data to be stored there? I'm not sure. And the important thing is with the recording in the cell phone, this does not upload to the cloud. It stays as an encrypted package on your phone. I am not sure if this is a replacement for a Dashcam. My thing is, if you don't have a Dashcam, please use whatever they're offering. However, let's say it's dark at night. How's your inward-facing camera going to capture everything that's going during the ride? The important thing is, if something is going sideways and you decide to start recording, the second you push that, the setup is pretty easy in the app. So if you follow a few clicks, you will set this up. But once you click on it and start recording on your phone, the rider is going to get a message that this trip is being recorded. Well, if things are already going sideways, things may get worse faster. So my advice to all of you driving either 10 hours or 50 hours a week, please get a Dashcam. I've had DisplayRide for the last 18 months. As far as I'm concerned, it is the best camera out there for rideshare. So with that said, please stay healthy and be safe out there.